My name is Mickey. Welcome to another tutorial with. So today we could talk about Python's some of the Python variables and everything. So as you see on my screen, I have a simple string variables which will print simple hello world. So the two ways we could write it. So this one will just print hello world. Another way we can do it with a variable if x equals and double quotes. So since it's not excellent, we'll put double quotes. Hello world. And then you can also say print. So in brackets, say print x. So if I find this x, I print. So if I run it, you'll see over here it says hello world for the first one, and the second one, hello. And just to make sure you're not confused, let's keep it hello. And you would see hello world and hello. Begin text. Okay. So that's a string, how you would do a string variable. But let's say if you want to put like an integer or like a decimal, let's say if you want a variable that gives out a bill, let's say it's create another one with bill. So I'm going to first comment these out to show, so you know that it's, so that's a bill, it's 20. So you have a $20 bill. So we could say print and then bill. And there will come that's 20. Actually, as you can see here, we did not put any quotes or anything. That's what's not needed. And then if you wanted to do it, let's say if you got bill of and you got a bill for 2050. Same thing, you will not put quotes. That's just not needed, and then you will say bill. So that way, that's how you do strings and integer float. But let's go for something more complex. Let's say if you want to create a list. So let's take this one out. Okay, so this is the bill. So I could show, for example, actually let's leave the bill. So let's leave the bill and say items. So for items, so we saying in the bracket. So we bought an apple, banana, and cherry. And the bill comes out to this much. So we can say print items. We could say items plus build. So print board. Sorry, it was count. So you'll get the list of apple, banana, cherries, and 20 toys. If you want to make it more specific, you can put it like this and say bill. So as you can see on the screen below, it would say it'll give the list of the items. That's over here, and it would say print out the bill is and then the amount. So that's just how you do a list, decimal, and I showed the integer and string. So now let's take, let's say you want to save, make it into a directory. Because let's say if you don't want to keep on read, like say if you have directory instead. So let's say if you don't want, I just put triple quotes to comment all these out. So let's create a new thread. So we could start directory equals, and we're going to say name it John. It's our John, and the age of the John would be 36. That'd be one of the okay. So and we'll add one more. I'm just going to try you can see it. So name was I'm just going to put Mickey. And yet say my age is 20. You say 18. Like there's a comma you put there to add more. So if I print that correctly, and let's see how see it only prints one. That's because it's picking up the latest one. There's other ways you can do it, like pick up if you put like that name or only Mickey. So so yeah, sorry. So you can put it like that. So where you put the name dash inside the bracket, name and Mickey, age and Mickey. Other things like in the element side you can do it's have a true or false. Something I want to show it's the range and I'll show the else if. So in range, so if you want to range, we just to type R. Sorry. So we're trying to do it to range and count to the range of 6. So range will give you the from 0 to 6. And if we print R, like that. And they would say range 0 to 6. So that's the one thing. Another thing you could do it's the if statement, which one? For example, I'll give you one. We're going to use this example. So we're going to say A equal 33 and B equal 200. And just say if A it's if B is greater than A, print it. Very simple. See, and there it is. But you say if else, let's say print age creator. So yes, it's to 330. Sorry, 30. 3 out. So if I run it, it's correct. So this is all we can show right now. Thank you.